Hello dear banking exam aspirants. In this video, we are going to see some of these syllogism based questions. In the IBPS exam, they'll ask one or two questions based on this syllogism. Let's see how to solve this kind of question. So, see the question will be like this. You will be given a statement and following that, you will be also given some conclusions. Okay, so we have to read the statements, we have to make the conclusion based on the statements. So we are going to make conclusion. That's what going to be interesting here. So here you see this: all crow are birds, some birds are parrots, no parrot is sparrow, something like they have given. Okay, so you don't bother about the words all, some, all those things. This can be easily solved through drawing Venn diagrams. So suppose if the statement all A is B means, so all A is B, just you draw all A is within B, all A is B. Or if it is sum A is B means, we'll draw like this: sum A is B. This is A, this is B, sum A is B. So by drawing like this, so you'll be able to solve this problem. So let's see how to solve this question. All crow are birds. That means what? All crow are birds. Some birds are parrots. Some birds are parrots means it can be drawn like this: some birds are parrots, or it can be drawn like this also. So birds, some birds are parrots. It can be like this also. Which birds? That we don't. Some birds. So this also true, this also true as per the given one. No parrot is sparrow. So no parrot is sparrow means here it's going to be sparrow, here it's going to be sparrow. There is no relation between sparrow and parrots. That's how we can draw. Now, after drawing like this, we'll go for the conclusion part. Which conclusion you can make? That you have to decide. Some crow are parrots. Some crow are parrots means here no crow is parrot. Here some crow are what? Parrots. There is no intersection between crow and parrot here. Here there is an intersection between crow and parrot here. So there is an intersection. That means, and if you look at the second conclusion, no crow is parrot. So here no crow is parrot. Here some crow is what? Parrot. That means if this can be true means then this is not going to be true. This conclusion. If this conclusion is true means then this conclusion is not going to be true. Okay. So in that case, so if you look at the options A, B, C, D, E, only conclusion 1 follows. We cannot say conclusion 1 may follow or conclusion 2 may follow. So these things we can eliminate directly. Either conclusion 1 or 2 follows. Either of this. If this one follows, this is not true. If this one follows, that one is not true. So either of the conclusion follows. That's what going to be the answer for this question. Okay. So let's solve one more question based on this so that you will get better understanding. We'll move on to the next question. Look at this question. Same kind of question. It's a simple topic. You'll be getting minimum 2 to 3 questions based on this. Okay. Only a few cap or shirts. Okay. Only few caps or shirts. Okay. This is cap and then this is shirts. Only few shirts are belt. Only few shirts are belt. Only few belt are trousers. Only few belt are trousers. So that's what we have given. Based on the given statement, I can draw like this. Okay. Or I can have many possibilities also. I can draw it in other way also. What? So some only few caps or shirts. So only few shirts are belt. Few shirts are belt like this also I can draw. This is also a possibility. Then what? And then some so few belt or trousers. This is also another possibility. Like this also I can draw. Okay. Now I have many possibilities like this. So now let's get into the conclusion. Some belt can be caps. Some belt can be caps. Here if you see, no belt is capped. But if you draw like this, okay, this is what your cap, this is what your shirt, this is what your belt. I have drawn here, this is trouser. So which means here if I draw like this, there is a possibility that some what belt or caps, some belt or caps. So there is the intersection. Yes, it is going to be true if you draw like this. And the conclusion is they are saying what can be means it's a possibility. Some belt can be caps. So there is a possibility. Can that, I mean, is there a possibility that some belt can be caps? Yes, there is a possibility. Now, if you go to the second conclusion, all trousers can be shirts. So here in this diagram, there is no relation between trouser and shirts. But this is not the only way you can represent it. The other way is also there. So like this also you can draw. But the statements we should not violate. Okay. So in that case, what only few caps or shirts, caps and shirts, and then what you have belt here, few shirts are belt, and also what only few belt or trousers. So only few belt or trousers. Suppose if I draw like this, few belt or trousers. Here what? Few belts or trousers. There is an intersection between belt and trouser. Okay. And what all other conditions, other statements are true. Some few caps or shirts. There is an intersection between caps and shirts. And also what? Few shirts are belt. Few shirts are belt. There is an intersection between shirt and belt. And also what? Only few belt or trousers. Only few belt or trousers. There is an intersection between trouser and the belt. So all the conditions, all the statements, whatever they are given, it's true with respect to this diagram. Okay. Now in this diagram, if you look at it, some belt can be caps. Yes, some belt can be caps. There is the intersection. Belt and caps. Second conclusion, if we go, all trousers can be shirts. Yes, all trousers are within what? Shirts. So there is a possibility. They are asking can be means. Can be. Can be means the possibility. There is a possibility for both the conclusion can be true. Okay. So in that case, so it is both conclusion 1 and 2 follows. Okay. This is how we answer this question. Similarly, I have one question for you to answer. Try this problem. Try this. Get the answer. We will see in the other video. Thank you.